Hi guys, it's Anthony. Welcome back to Just Married Money. Today we're going to talk about home ownership, and I want to touch on a couple points because I know it can be really scary. So the first point is that you really want to focus on that 20% down payment. So 20% can seem like a pretty big number. If you're looking at a $500,000 house, that's a $100,000 down payment. So the first thing is make sure you're within your means and then do everything you can to save for that 20% goal, because if you can save 20%, that's what the mortgage lender is going to look at to make sure you're getting the best rates, and they're going to see you as more financially viable. The second thing that you want to watch out for is putting down less than 20%, because there are programs that you can do that. But what happens is the lender, because you're putting down less than 20%, they're like, all right, we don't know this guy's really going to pay us back, so we're going to charge him PMI, which stands for private mortgage insurance, which is another couple $100 they're going to tack on to your monthly mortgage payment. And you don't want to pay that because it doesn't benefit you. It's basically you're paying for the lender's insurance that if you default or don't pay it back, they can get their money back. So I want you to avoid private mortgage insurance, and there are ways to do that. There's programs out there with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the federal housing loan companies, and you can put 3% down and you can avoid PMI, that private mortgage insurance. They'll just charge you a slightly higher interest rate. So it could make sense. So you got to run the numbers and probably consult a financial advisor to make sure that it makes sense in your case, but that makes getting a home a bit more viable for you. And the final point is once you've reached that goal, once you've said, okay, I need X amount to save to put my down payment, then I want you to automate your savings. That has to be your goal. It's got to be in the front of your mind, and you want to make sure from every paycheck that you and your partner get, a portion of that is going automatically to savings, so you don't have to think about it. It's painless. It's just going towards your goal. And set up a savings account with an online savings bank. Like what I like to use is Ally Bank, because they're online. They give you a much better interest rate. I think right now it's about 1.05%, and your current brick and mortar bank is paying 0. nothing. So it seems like nothing, but it can add up over time. So make sure you automate that savings plan. I don't care if it's $100 a month or $600. As long as it's automatic and getting it to your goal, you're on track. Then anytime you get a gift or a tax refund, sock that away, because that down payment is going to help you get closer to getting the home of your dreams. So thank you so much for listening. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can head on over to justmarriedmoney.com, where I post every Monday. It's Money Mondays. You'll find a new blog post with financial tips and advice. So till the next Money Monday, I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for tuning in.